This is the new land of opportunity, bathed in light, with a rich future on the horizon. This is a place where skilled hands move impeccable design from paper to reality, outlining with careful precision each contour, each thread placement. This is where leather, sourced locally from one of the most environmentally progressive tanneries in the world, is trimmed piece by piece and then methodically stitched until what was once in the mind's eye can now be worn by you and me. This is where artisans, designers, tanners, and soul makers breathe life into a single pair of boots, wielding their skill and handling each pair, each detail, with the utmost care and attention. This is a place where the finest craftsmanship is applied without sacrificing the livelihood and upward mobility of those same men and women who sew each thread, assemble each cut of leather, and create some of the finest boots in the world's first fair trade certified shoe factory. This is the nature from which all of our products should be sourced, so that every dollar you spend is spent on a product whose ripple effects last even longer than the finest quality materials from which they are made. This is the new land of opportunity, where every pair, every purchase, every person matters. This is Africa.